Hello student, in today's session we are going to solve one problem of exercise 1.1 integers chapter number 1 for class 7. So let's start question number 10. So the question says a water tank has steps inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step, that is the first step. The water level is at the ninth step. So first we have to find it out. He jumps 3 steps down and then jumps back 2 steps up. In how many jumps will he reach the water level? One more we have to find. After drinking water, he wants to go back. For this, he jumps 4 steps up and then jumps back 2 steps down in every move. In how many jumps will he reach back the top step? Similarly, 2 more problems given for this question. So one by one, let us solve them. So here it's first part. He jumps 3 steps down and then jumps back 2 steps up. In how many jumps will he reach the water level? So we consider steps moved down are represented by positive integers, and then steps moved upside, we represent them by the negative integers. That means when he jump towards down, integer we will represent as positive, and when he jump back up, then the negative representation for the integer. Okay, so let's take, initially monkey is sitting on the topmost step, that is the first step here. In first jump, monkey will be at step number, jump 3 steps, so then it will 1 plus 3. So like this, 1 plus third step he will reach here. 1 plus 3, that is fourth step. So 1, first, second, third and fourth. So in this first jump, from first step he reach at the step number 4. Then what monkey did, he jump back 2 steps up. That means we have to subtract 2 steps from this step. So in the second jump, monkey will be at step number 4 plus, this going towards upside shows by the negative integers. So 4 plus minus 2, that means from fourth step he take 2 jumps, that is 4 minus 2 at the second step. So he reached in this position after 2 jumps in the second step. In the third jump from second step, that means he has to go downwards 3 steps. So from 2 second step he take 3 jumps, that means 2 plus 3 fifth step. So in the third jump he reached 5th step. But from here again monkey jumps 2 steps back, that means 5 plus minus 2. So here the position after 4th jump, monkey will be at step number 3. In the next 5th jump, monkey will be 3 plus 3, that means from 3rd step he takes 3 jumps, 3, 4, 5, 6. So he will reach at 6th step. But again 2 steps jump back, that means 6 plus minus 2, that will in the next 6th jump he will reach at the step number 4 now. Now in the 7th jump, again from this 4th step he has to take 3 jump, that means 5, 6, 7. So he will reach at 7th step now. Then again from this 7th step he has to go back 2 jumps upwards, that means 7 minus 2, 5th step. In the 8th jump he reached at 5th step. Then afterwards in the 9th jump, again he has to take 3 jumps from this 5th step. So 6th, 7th and 8th. So in this 9th jump he reached at 8th step. Then in this stage again he has to go back 2 jumps backward, that means 8 minus 2 is 6. So in this stage, jump number 10, he reached at 6th step. From this 6th step, again he take downwards 3 jumps. So 6 plus 3 becomes 9. So in this stage of 11th jump, he reached at 9th step, where he reached at the water level. So we can say here monkey took 11 jumps to reach the water level. Next, in the same way, second problem is asking, after drinking water, he wants to go back at the first step. So for this, he jump 4 steps up and then jump back 2 steps down in every move. That means by the steps moving downwards, we are taking as positive integer, and going backward, that means jump to the upward side, we take it as a negative integer. So now initially when the monkey sitting on the 9th step, that is at the water level, so this is the position of the monkey at the 9th step. From this, what he has to do, he jumps 4 steps upside. Now upside, we are consider this as negative integers, and jump back, that means backside positive integer. So let's start the counting for the jumping of the monkey. In first jump, monkey will be at 9 plus minus 4, that is 5th step. Okay, 1 2 3 4. So in this one jump, he reached at 5th step. Okay, then he jumps back 2 steps, that means back 2 steps, that means we have to take positive integer. So here in the second jump, he take 2 jumps, that means 5 6 7 again plus 2. So in the 7th step, he reached in the second jump. From this 7th step, again he jumped 4 steps, that means after 7 we take 7 plus minus 4, as he is going upward, so it is showing by minus, that means negative integer. So 7 minus 4, he reached at 3rd step, that we can say at the 3rd jump. In the 3rd jump, he is at 3rd step. Now again he jump back 2 steps down. From this 3rd step, 1 and 2 jump he takes, so he will reach 3 plus 2, 5th step. Now from again this 5th step, he has to take 4 jumps, that means 5 plus minus 4. So 5 plus minus 4 will be 1. So in this 5th jump, monkey reached the top of the stairs at the first step. So here how many jumps are there? 5 jumps. So we have to write it as monkey took 5 jumps to reach back the top step, that is the first step. So total number of jumps by done by the monkey is 5 to reach its previous topmost step. Now in the third problem, here it is given, if the number of steps moved down is represented by negative integers. In the previous problems, what we have taken, when monkey jumps towards the downside, we consider it positive integer, and when you take jump upside, it is negative integer. But reverse we have to do now here. From top, as he jumped towards the water level, that we have to represent by the negative integer, and the number of steps moved by upside in the steps, that we have to take it as a positive integer. So his move in part 1 and part 2 by completing the following steps. A is minus 3 plus 2 minus something up to infinite is equals to minus 8, and in B problem we have to find 4 minus 2 plus up to infinite, that is equals to 8. So in this fill in the blank infinite, that means just dash 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 dash, we have to find out the numbers here. And in the A problem also, the sum is minus 8 represents going down by 8 step. That means in the first problem we have to take minus 8 is the going down towards the water level. So what will be the sum 8 in B? So B is 4 minus 2 plus up to dash 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 is equals to 8. So we have to write down that what will be the value for positive 8. That means what we can say for the value positive 8. So let's understand this. In this question we have given that if the number of steps moved downside, we have to represent it by negative integer, and the number of steps moved upside we have to take positive. So downside when he is going, that means head towards the water level, we have to consider it negative integer, and upside as he is jumping we have to take upside is positive integer. Okay, downside we have to take negative, but jumping upside is positive integer. So in the first problem, how many jumps he has taken? In that moves in first part it is given minus 3 plus 2 minus up to fill in the blanks, that's it is equals to minus 8. So here it is left hand side of this problem is given minus 3 plus 2 minus blank, and the right hand side is given minus 8. According to that first solution, what we have done, the total number of jumps taken by the monkey towards the water level, that is 3 jumps. Okay, 3 jumps. How many times he has taken that 3 jumps? 6 times. So this 3 we have to take as 6 times. Okay, but we have to represent downside, jumping towards downside, that means towards the water level, we have to take it as negative integer. So this 3 is nothing but minus 3. In the previous solution we have taken jumping towards the water level, that is the positive jump or positive integer. Here we have to consider it as negative integer. So 6 times we have to write minus 3. And similarly in the first problem he go back 2 steps. So go back 2 steps, in that we have taken that is the negative integer, but here in this problem we have to consider that going upside is a positive integer. So how many jumps here? For moving down to up is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Again one more is there, is 9 to 7 also. Okay, this one more step is there from 9 to 7. So total number of jumps 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times is positive 2. We have to write it here. So minus 3 6 times becomes minus 18, addition of negative numbers, and 2 5 times we have to add 2, that is positive 10. So minus 18 plus 10 becomes minus 8 here, and this minus 8 is given right hand side. So value of is minus 3 plus 2 minus 3 plus 2 is equals to minus 8. Only we have to consider minus 8 as reaching towards the water level. In the same way, the same problem asking for moves in first part represents monkey is going down 8 steps because of negative integer. Now monkey moves in part 2, that is 4 minus 2 plus dash 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 is equals to 8. So how many jumps for the second time, where second problem when he come back to the first step? from the water level. From the ninth step, that is the water level, he comes up at the first step. So in that case, he took 4 jumps from downside to upside, going downside to upside, and 2 jumps taken go back to the upside to downside. So here this represents as the same we have done in the second problem of the same question. 9 at the 9th step, he took 4 steps towards upside, so he reached 5th step. Then from 5th step, he take back 2 jumps to reach 7th step, and same up to the first step. So how many times he is taking the jump? 4, 3 times. And how many times jumps taking 2 steps? 2 times. But here it is given that we have to consider that jumping towards the water level, that is negative, and jumping towards upside, that is positive. Okay, so how many times he jumps? 4, 3 times, and this we have to take positive integer, so we have to write 4 plus 4 plus 4, but he is going back again 2 steps. This going back towards downside, we have to represent it as negative integer. So how many times 2 jumps are there for negative? 2 times. So minus 2, 2 times we have to add. So 4 minus 2 plus 4 minus 2 plus 4, that is 4. 3 times we have to add, becomes 12, minus 2 times minus 2 we add, it becomes minus 4, so is equals to 8. So what we can say, that representation of 8, this is the integer, positive integer, for going back to the first step. So move in part 2 represents monkey is going upside, total 8 steps, because we have taken as a positive integer.